Parents, your child, they know what you think about them. Those thoughts in your head while you're teaching them of, maybe they can't do it. Or my kid is just wild. Or my kid's different. Your kid can feel it. Now, I don't care if they have the words to say it. I don't care if they have the emotions to show it. Sooner or later, your kid is going to absorb what you are saying and what you believe about them, and you're going to see that reflected back in their behavior. You say, my kid can't sit still, guess what you're going to get? You're going to say, my kid can't focus and learn, guess what you're going to get? Your beliefs and your expectations about your kids matter, okay? What you believe about their age, about their ability, about their race, about their gender, whatever you think you are going to get. So if you have a child who is not focused during the learning, who is not behaving, who is struggling to grasp it, the first thing you need to check is your beliefs, your expectations. Whether you think it's showing or not, your kid is going to pick up on it and they're going to reflect it back to you.